My husband's a builder, I'm a designer, so we definitely wanted something where we could create our own oasis and probably not buy into someone else's. My name's Simone Haag, I'm an interior stylist, and we're sitting in my house today in Melbourne's leafy east in the suburb of Ringwood. The renovation was done in 3 months, and for us we wanted a mid-century modern house that was completely unrenovated and that was at a budget that allowed us to add our own touches to it. Every surface needed to be refreshed. I mean, it had so many renters come through. The only surface that we didn't touch was the brick on the fireplace. Other than that, everything has, to some degree been refreshed. There was quite a large balcony on the front of the house. So one day my husband was standing there looking at this elevation, and he said, well, why don't we push through the balcony, have a lovely glazed window, create some more space. And we knew that if we lost the balcony at the front, we would probably need to re-engage some outdoor space. We did that through creating a deck behind the dining room. Then of course, having a couple of toddlers, a second bathroom became a priority, and we decided to flip bedrooms and add an ensuite and robe onto a new master wing. If you didn't know that it had happened, you probably wouldn't know that it had happened, and that was our intention. Certainly with the bathroom at the back of the house, we didn't want it to be marble and crisp and brass tapware, and we just wanted to feel like it could have been there from the 70s. For quite a small house, it does pack quite a big punch for the areas you can live in and how you can live in it, despite it being quite petite.